Retread truck tyres should be a great British success story, but due to a range of factors, it's an industry under threat. As the name suggests, instead of being thrown away once worn, a retreaded tyre has a new tread applied to its original casing. As 85% of the worn-out tyre is reused, that saves a huge amount of raw materials, up to 30 kilograms of rubber, 20 kilograms of steel, and 60 kilograms of CO2 for each tyre retreaded. What's more, this can be done again and again. In fact, a company with a retread policy can use just a quarter of the amount of tyres as a company buying single-use tyres. That's because a retread has a similar life expectancy to the original tyre and is made to the same exacting standards. Retreaded tyres make so much sense. They're used in almost all transport sectors. Retreads are also good for British jobs. As 95% of truck tyre retreads used in the UK are made in the UK, the industry supports 5,500 jobs, many in deprived areas. So, retread truck tyres should be a great British success story, right? Wrong. Market share of retreaded truck tyres has declined by 30%. Why? Buyers are turning to artificially cheap, single-life throwaway tyres from Asia. In 2012, truck retreads accounted for 50% of the UK replacement market. By 2016, this figure had fallen to 35%. As a result, in 2016 alone, an estimated 500,000 extra truck tyres had to be disposed of here by the UK's tyre recovery programme. If arranged side by side, these tyres would reach almost all the way round the M25 motorway, and their end-of-life disposal overseas produces an extra 160,000 tonnes of CO2. As retread manufacturers struggle to compete, one major facility was forced to close in 2016. But the industry has resolved to meet the challenge head-on, investing in skills and flexibility and in improvements to plant and product performance. The industry is determined to rebuild the market share of retreaded truck tyres towards its historic level of 50%. International agreement has been reached to counter illegal subsidies on truck tyres from China. Government has recognised the importance of retreading to the circular economy and its potential for future growth. Industry will redouble customer communication, but government must incentivise the change in purchasing behaviour needed to develop a more circular economy. Government must engage with the distribution chain in order to establish business models favourable to increasing tyre resource efficiency. Retreaded tyres. Good for industry, good for the environment, and good for Britain.